Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm the Max for 9 today. Uh, I got a new video game boxing. I got a double unbox for you guys. I got J-Star Victory versus Plus. It's an anime fighting game. It's a crossover fighting game with has has and a lot of different anime and manga characters from a lot of different series. Like it has like characters from Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, One Piece, Bleach, Yu Yu Hakusho, Hunter x Hunter, and much more. So yeah, I got it for PS4 and PSV, as you can see right there. And the PS Vita version is the English Asian version. I imported this. I bought it on eBay because it's not available here in North America, so you have to import that version. But you can also get this game on PS3, and I did do an unboxing for the PS3 version, but it got deleted. So whenever I get that file back, I'll re-upload that video. But yeah, and oh yeah, and I also got the Compendium book too, and the Steelbook case. Let's go through the Steelbook case real quick and the Compendium book before we go through the games. All right, this is the other side right here, as you can see. Yeah. All right, now let's open it up, shall we? All right, this is how it looks like. As you can see the inside. Yeah, you can put things in. Yeah, that's where you put the game disc, right, as you can see. All right, that's it for the Steelbook case. Let's go to the Compendium book real quick. J-Star. Yeah. Yeah, there's a cover for the Compendium book. I got this also on eBay. You got this if you pre-order the game, but I didn't pre-order. I got it when it came out, but they didn't have any so extra, so I had to get it, online on eBay and stuff as well. Yeah, it's there's that side. Yeah, show you some of the characters. There's Bleach, you Goku, Yu Yu Hakusho, you go Toriko, Luffy, Gon, Naruto. Yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, that's how it looked like. Yeah, that's what I think. And then let me show you the other side too. This the other side as well. Yeah, the other side. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And then this how it looks like originally. J starts the compendium. Yeah, and pretty much this version, it comes with extra mode like an arcade mode and stuff. That's why it's called Plus, because before, it was just J Star Victory versus, So yeah, so I'm glad they brought it over here. Really cool. All right, then let's check it out. Check out the book now. The book reads right to you're in the read room. Start at the right. Oh yeah, I have to read from the other side. Okay. All right, table of contents. Yeah, look at that. Shows you like pictures of the game and stuff. Really cool stuff. The battle rules, victory conditions. You can see. Yeah. Top tip. Okay. Battle screen. Victory gouge. Okay. Health gouge. Stamina. Support kit single map timer. Victory voltage. Start with victory. Victory burst. Yes. You can see burst. Oh. Alright, next the JMH. Oh yeah, there's the story mode right here. Her 4 arcs. Dynamic with One Piece, Mickey D. Luffy. Hope arc, Naruto Uzumaki, Naruto, and then investigation arc with Toriko. And then pursuit arc with Ichigo. Bleach. Yeah, for Bleach, I can't wait until they release the last part of the 1,000-Year War, the anime. That's gonna be really cool when that comes. Going to modify your ship. Yeah, that's what, Victory Road. Yeah, pretty much. There's a exclusive game, by the way. It's, arcade and free battle. Oh. Yeah. It has a versus mode and arcade mode. Online battles, yes. Yeah, all the different modes. Yes. J's customized. Oh yeah, the J Stars cards. Yeah, that's really cool. Licensing and characters. Yeah. See. Assassination moves. Bleach, Bubble Bulge, Dr. Stone, Dragon Ball Z, Fist of North, Tama, How to New, Hunter x Hunter, JoJo Bizarre Adventure, Kurosaki Back, Handaka Box, Naruto Shippuden, Hero Supernatural Detective. Yeah, these are all the anime and manga series that's in this game. Suzuki, One Piece, Reborn, Horuto Kenshin, Psycho, Saint Seiya, Ski Dance, Such a Lucky, Park Police Station, Katsuki Gawar, To Love You, Toriko, Yu Yu Hakusho. Yeah, and then it shows stuff for Kuro Sensei Assassination Class. Yeah, it shows you pictures and stuff. Yeah, cool stuff. Cool. Ichigo Bleach. Aizen. Rukia. And then Bubba Bell. No, I don't know what that. Oh, Chi. Yeah. Toro. Like a baby or something. The Gray Man. Oh yeah. Dr. Slump. Ario. Yeah. Yeah, she also appeared in Dragon Ball, and also in Dragon Ball Super as well. Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, obviously Goku. Frieza. Yeah, Vegeta. Yeah. In this game, they could transfer. Well, Vegeta could transfer Super Saiyan and go Super Saiyan. And then Frieza, you could transfer full power, I think. So. Kentucky. Kagu and stuff. Okay. Yeah, this book has a lot of information. So, yeah. And not to. Hunter x Hunter. Gone. And then Kahlua. Hisoka. Anime's JoJo Bizarre. Jonathan Joestar. Joseph Joestar. Kuroko Basketball. Kuroko. Yeah, this game has support characters and stuff. Cool. Medaka box. Medaka. Naruto. Oh. Sasuke. Yeah, they could also transfer into the Quran. Madara. Chilu. One Piece. Luffy. Ace. Boa Hancock. Akina. Yeah, One Piece has the most characters. I mean, it comes with 4. Yeah, because some series it come with either 2 or 3 or just 1. So yeah, that's the point. Yeah, Jaguar. Reborn to Snoopy Reborn. Oh, and catch it. On the catch. Okay. She needs to. Saki. Saint Seiya. Momotaro. Yurija. Okay. Ski dance. Lucky man. Ryutsu. Love. You love. La. And Tariko. Yeah, Tariko did a cross for One Piece and Dragon Ball Z. That's a good special. Zebra. Oh yeah, Yu Yu Hakusho. Yusuke. They made a live action version of TV of Yu Yu Hakusho. I highly recommend it. It's on Netflix. It's pretty good. Togoro. EA. Producers interview. Yeah, and it shows you available on PS3 and PS4. copyrights. Oh, these are all the companies right there. Okay, yeah, we do that. Alright, there's that. Alright, guys, now let's check out the games now. PS4 and PS Vita, as you can see. Yeah, it says only on PlayStation. Yeah, there's a PlayStation exclusive game. You can only get this on PS4, PS Vita, and PS3. It's on any other consoles or PC or anything like that. So yeah, let's go to the PS4 version first, shall we? PS4 only on PlayStation. Yeah, and it shows Jason with art cover. Look at that. Okay. You can see all the characters. Bandit Namco. And there's the side, PS4. And there's the back. It says the ultimate dream for every anime month, or 50 characters from 32 different series. Enjoy a grand adventure with your heroes and fight with your friends in local and online matches. Exclusive arcade mode. 2 players, 3.7 gigabytes minimum. 2 network players, remote play, DualShock 4. Alright. Now let's open it the inside, shall we, guys? Alright, there's the inside. You can see the inside. Stick out the disc so I can show you. Alright, there's the disc right there. J-Star Plus, Bandai Namco, PS4. Alright, and that's it on the PS4 version. And then let's check out the PS Vita version. You can see PS Vita version. Oh yeah, this game supports cross save. So if you're playing it on PS Vita or PS4, you could transfer save between both systems, which is really cool. Yeah, PlayStation. These everything right. Yeah, it's the same cover. Vita. Same cover. And PS Vita, J-Server Plus. And then there's the back. Oh yeah, it says the same things. The PS4 we have to read through. Number of players 1. Online players 2 to 4 compatible. Require memory cards 2040 KB. Touchscreen. Dual analog sticks. Yeah. Alright, now let's go inside, shall we, guys? The inside. Oh, what? Oh. Well, it comes with a code for these themes for PS4 PS Vita. And it's a cartridge right there. Let's take it out real quick. This is the cartridge right there. J-Star Plus. Okay. Now let's go through the manual now. Alright, let's go through the manual. Yeah, I'm glad that the PS Vita version comes with a manual, which is really cool. Table's contents, basic controls, battle control. Oh. It seems like it's kind of similar to the Compendium. Interesting. Battle rules. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing as the Compendium. Wow. Yeah. So let's go through this real quick. Yeah, the cross-save feature. That's what I was telling you guys about. Yeah, you have to have the same PSN, PlayStation account, to do that, by the way. Okay. Custom support. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and that's it, guys. See you guys. Bye.